The word for car in Spanish is coche, or carro. Both words are commonly used across Spanish-speaking countries, but coche is more commonly used in Spain, while carro is more commonly used in Latin America. Coche and carro can be used to refer to different types of vehicles, such as cars, automobiles, or even carts. For example, I need to buy a new car can be translated as necesito comprar un nuevo coche, or necesito comprar un nuevo carro. Knowing how to say car in Spanish is essential if you plan to travel or communicate with Spanish speakers in the automotive industry. So next time you need to refer to a car in Spanish, remember to use coche or carro, depending on the context and the regional variation of Spanish you're using. Hey there, fellow language learners. Are you enjoying this video and finding it helpful? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest language learning videos. Also check out description pages to check out some amazing books which will help you learn Spanish language.